In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Ludo King game app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Now, to get the right Ludo King app, you need to go ahead and find Play Store. So if you tap on Play Store, you should see this opening interface here. Log in with your Gmail account. Be able to search for your app. Once you're logged in, you should see a search icon here. And if you can see the search bar, then you should see a search icon down below. Tap on it and then search for your app by name. So just search for Ludo King like that and then tap on search here. Here you can see we have Ludo King. If I tap on it, this is the right app. Make sure it is from GameShon. And at the time of recording this game app had a star rating of 4 with over 10 million reviews. The file size is over 100 MBs, and currently this game app has over 1 billion downloads. So if you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right Ludo King app. And look at the logo, make sure it is as it is here. Now from here, go ahead and tap on install. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of Ludo King game app and then install it on your smartphone. Now, once this game app has been installed, you can proceed and play directly from here. Or if you go to your apps, now you should see Ludo King is here. Go ahead and tap on it to open. This is the welcoming interface. And now you can go ahead and start playing. So that's how you can install the right Ludo King game app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.